Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today we're making potato bake. Grease your pan with either cooking spray or oil. Add in your sliced potatoes and season it with salt. Spread it evenly so that it gets the flavor. Then you can go ahead to add your diced sausages or frankfurters. Then get your bowl, add in your boneless chicken, season with salt and paprika and mix together. Once it's mixed, you spread it evenly onto your potatoes and sausages. And then you go ahead, get a new bowl, break in 2 eggs, add in your heavy cream, and then go ahead to season this with some salt, rosemary, and black pepper, and then whisk it all together. Once it's mixed together, you pour it over your layers of potatoes, sausages, and chicken. Then add some thinly sliced tomatoes, spread it evenly. Then add in as much cheese as you want to. Go ahead, bake this for 180 degrees for 35 minutes. Thank you.